Hey, this is Brent, and welcome to Brent's Crossroads. We're aboard the MSC Seaside today, and we're going to take a tour of balcony room 14242. Come on, let's go inside and take a look.
Room 14242. It's kind of in the middle between the middle bank and the... So, gotta be careful because this falls off a lot. And also, when you go to leave, if you don't pull on it, it won't latch. It's one of those where you have to use your card. For your lights, a couple different settings. Got your do not disturb light and your makeup room light for the room steward to see. Thermostat, you can make it cold, make it warm. 3 hooks, and the walls are magnetic, so you can bring extra hooks if you'd like to. This is the light to the bathroom, which has 2 hooks on the door. Bathroom's kind of tight, but you know, it's typical cruise ship kind of bathroom. It has shampoo and shower gel, foot peg for the ladies. The only thing I didn't like is when you got done in the shower, if you wanted to open the door to grab your towel to dry off and dry off in the shower, which is very tight, you don't have a lot of space, the door does not stay open. No matter how far you open it, the door will just shut on you. Then down here you have your trash can. Nice big mirror. All right, let's start with over here. It's an okay sized TV. Place for your papers. Remote. 2 European plugs. 2 regular plugs. 2 USBs. Your phone plug in. Switch for your lights above the mirror. Trash can. Stool to sit on. Mini bar. Which stayed cool. We didn't have to keep the door open, which was really nice. Alright, now we get to the closet. You have your safe, some shelving, a couple of nice sized drawers, especially the bottom one for shoes. The doors, sometimes they slide easily, sometimes they don't. Plenty of space to put luggage, hang some clothes. The only thing that sucks about it is it's really tight through here between the couch and the closet. So sometimes it's really hard to get to or to get your luggage in and out of. Kind of like sticks and drags in the track. The couch was comfortable. It's really kind of stained. It's pretty pictures. Then over on the bedside, you got your lights. Your reading light. Some storage shelving. This side had no outlets. Then the mattress, it's not too bad. It's not as the one on our other cruise this week on the getaway, that was hard. Over here on this side, you do have the same switches. You also have the USB, your lights, same storage. Got your curtains. I did like this because it is a slider for the door. Then here's your light for your balcony, which is a decent sized balcony. You get 2 chairs, get your table for footrest. Just look down the side. Overhead, a couple decks. You have deck 16. I really haven't heard much from that. Then down below is the outdoor seating for Marketplace. Overall, wasn't really that loud, not that bad. Decent room. Although, as I'm going to say in my final judgment on the boat, she really needs to go to dry dock because she needs a good thorough cleaning and some updating. Because like the carpet's really worn too. So the couch was stained, and there'll be some other things in videos. And back in Miami. Thanks for stopping by. See you on the Crossroads.